Hey guys, Josh Avalos here of Oso Slay Fishing. Hey guys, it's been a while. We haven't done a YouTube video for months. Some of you were saying that we started an emo band and we toured the country and never invited anybody.
We'll fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind.
I don't know where you heard that from, okay? But I'm going to tell you this. You know, we've been through some, some things in our lives. I honestly had a health scare, and I just purchased a house with my family. Aaron's been out of work, and he's been in and out of jail, He cannot make up his mind.
I'm just kidding.
Bruh. But the Lord has saved him. Anyways, hey, we're going to go ahead and fish over here. We're at Pins, and me and my wife are going to get ready to wade fish today. Hopefully we can catch some red or some trout. We'll see what happens. You just never know what can happen. Hey guys, do us a favor, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. We really appreciate everything that you've done. Guys, TikTok, man, you guys have been supportive of us. Thank you for, we've reached over 600 followers, so it's drastically increasing every day. So thank you guys for following us on those social media outlets. We do appreciate it. All right, let's get to our video. Nice trout. This is a nice trout, man. It hit really hard too. Wow, guys, check out this trout right here. Beautiful trout. And I know we didn't catch it on camera, but this thing just hooks it like a red, and they're feeding over here. These trout are feeding over here at Pins. So first catch right here. Nice, beautiful trout. Hey, look at this. Beautiful, baby, beautiful. Look at that. Nice. All right, I'm gonna let it go. Let's see you later. Get some more fish, baby. Another trout or what? Beautiful looking fish. Look at the hook set on that, man. Look. Jeez. I'm gonna have to measure this bad boy. The largest I caught was, what was it? 19 inches. Trout. outside here, guys. Sorry about that. Here we go. A little windy out here, but it ain't gonna stop us from catching fish. Look at this. Beautiful trout. We're gonna measure this bad boy, see how big he is. Stay tuned. All right, let's see how big this bad boy is. Tip, tip. Looking at centimeters. This is about 20 inch trout right here, guys. 20 inch trout. You know, my brother would keep this, but I'm gonna let it go. I'm not catching any fish to keep today. So yeah, I don't even know how to put this thing back together. It's so like rusted. Oh well. Let's put this baby back in the water. All right, here we go. There are more out here, guys. I thought I was gonna catch some reds today, but the trout are hitting. Carla, catch a fish. Now. All right. Carla, a stingray.
Is that what it is?
No, you got a redfish. Woo-hoo. Yeah, redfish, Carla. Let's go. You got your redfish for today.
About time. After 4 hours.
Right there. Lock it in. Good job. Now put that little pole right there. Put it right there. All right.
Finally.
Got your red fish. All this crazy wind. I don't know if you can hear us, but Carla finally got her red fish. Her birthday.
My birthday.
Red.
And I barely
fish.
hooked him. Look at his mouth.
Yeah. Yep. All right. Let's see if we can take this off. Man, he's barely hooked.
I know, that's what I was saying.
Barely.
Barely.
To sing a song. He can scream. Cool, there you go. Perfect.
Alright.
Alright.
I'll let him go.
Dear Carla, happy birthday to you. Bye. Woo! Alright, Carla. Good job. Hey guys, well, we didn't catch the fish that we wanted to today, Carla.
Nope.
But at least you caught that redfish.
Yes, at least I didn't get skunked on my birthday.
Yeah, it's Carla's birthday, y'all. She's 18 years old. Anyways, yeah, so we tried. I really wanted her to catch a huge redfish, but it just did not happen. But it's okay. We all had a good time. We had fun. So other than the redfish that Carla caught, It was a great opportunity just for us to spend time together for her birthday. This is what she wanted, so I was not going to deny this opportunity as well. I mean, we love fishing, and this is the only time we can get to do it. So we're both on our days off, and we went fishing. It was fun. But hey, we're just glad to be back on YouTube again. It's been quite a while. I shared some stuff with you in my intro, but hey guys, we're back, and it's time to start making some fishing videos with my wife's permission.
You have it. He has the permission.
Anyways, something did come out. Anyways, do us a favor, guys. Like, comment, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel. We appreciate your support. Guys, I gotta say this again. TikTok, that's what it's all about, man. We're hoping to get 1,000 followers by the end of the month or next month. So, hey, guys, keep it going. Share the word about Oso Slay Fishing. Until next time, guys, we'll see you later.